I'm Sandro Corrado. I'm the Managing Director of Gawk Display and co-founder in partnership with
Alphons Du Toit. I'm the owner of TRIGA Displays and co-owner of Gawk, with the two companies being very international. TRIGA has been established in 2008, specializing in a modular display system. And through the years, we've created resellers that was in love with TRIGA, and that's our Sandro and our bet. So we formed Gawk in 2015, and from there we started off in a factory, the smallest factory, and we have since moved twice into bigger premises. So our growth has been phenomenal, and we're looking forward to the future. The vision for the brand is pretty simple, is we want to establish TRIGA as the go-to portable display system, and obviously establish it as an international brand, and we're very excited about that future.
TRIGA is an established product. Our clients have been long calling for an accessory range where they can add on, like TV brackets, shelving, garment hangers, and so on. So the challenge with TRIGA was to develop a solution where we could attach the bracketry to the system in a secure way. And that's what we spent the last 6 months doing, developing a dedicated accessory latch. That accessory latch can work with any type of custom bracket or standard brackets that we offer. And it just opens a whole new world for TRIGA display owners. If we want to develop our economy and support economy at large, it's important that we support local suppliers on the one hand, and also access. We have better control over specific materials that work best with TRIGA. It's easier to liaise with our suppliers. But, we're committed to this country from a development point of view. We've got really good skills in the country. We've proven that. We've got a product that is unique globally that we're exporting already to 6 countries around the world, and we're expanding on that. Companies need to look that way. We can't import everything. We really need to access and utilize the skills that exist in South Africa already, and we have them.
It's been a very exciting year for us. We went on a trip end of last year, met up with various suppliers. We ended up signing an exclusivity contract with a company called Gallagher Displays that's got a huge footprint in the States. So we are prepping our first export order for them, and the products that they're offering are very much standard kit forms of walls, towers, and booths. And from there on, they will expand. The accessory range was also very important for them because they don't offer a load-carrying portable display system. And that's one of the main reasons that clinched the deal for them, that they can offer something that their competitors can't.
TRIGA has evolved. A lot of you might be familiar with the system, modular system for textile graphics, toolless and reconfigurable. As simple as that, using 6 parts, the system sets up. And it can be reconfigured in different angles, different shapes. So everything that you see behind me on the stand, the counter, the walls, the tower, we've got plinths on my right-hand side here, have been built using this system. Textile prints, heavy gauge polyester knitted prints with a custom chunk that we manufacture, fits into the system channel, just like that, tucks in underneath. For a double-sided system, we wrap it all the way around. Now, the benefits of TRIGA are known. For the last 6 years, since we developed TRIGA Go, modularity, flexibility, it's an ecosystem that once you've invested in, you never look back, really. Again, just to remind you all about the patented tensioning devices. So push and release, just like a big pen. And that gives us a tension print. We like to think of TRIGA as the Lego of the display world, which gives you all of these different configuration options. But what we're launching at the show is the accessory range. So we've spent a long time developing this magic little device here, which is an accessory latch. So this accessory latch combined with different types of brackets. So this bracket I'm holding in my hand is the same bracket we've got on the side of a stand. It's a cable support system. Behind me here, you see a TV mount. So now TRIGA Go, we can mount TV brackets onto. We can mount heavy duty shelving. So like this, that carry 30 kilograms. We can mount perforated panels, waterfall hangers for garments. The latch is very simple. So those of you familiar with TRIGA, it works on the same principle as the brace latch. The brace latch is the is the device that stabilizes the system. Twist, lock, we can accessorize. In addition to that, we've developed a magnetic range of accessories. I'll show you on the front here, on the front of the counter. So if you can pick up our logo on the front of the counter, we've developed a coded system of magnetics so we don't have to damage the fabric. And because it's coded, it locks into place. Everything works out spacing wise in terms of your CI or logo CI. So with the accessory latch, we've essentially opened a new dimension when it comes to TRIGA. No longer have you got a simple two-dimensional textile display system. We can layer it now. So we can add product to the system. It opens up a whole new world for pop-up shops, retail displays, promotional displays, and obviously compact exhibition stands, fully portable. Sustainability is absolutely crucial. I mean, if we want some kind of a world left or planet left for our children, I mean, it's a subject that's been top of the agenda for many years. But the question comes down to how serious people are around it. Gawk and TRIGA. TRIGA is actually a patron member of the Event Greening Forum, and we're very passionate about sustainability because our product, I mean, we lead with our product. Our product is 100% sustainable. And especially with our venture into the United States, we've been forced to change certain materials and become compliant with very strict US and European laws that will soon come to South Africa. So from a sustainability point of view, firstly, the product is very well made. It's a premium product. It's not something you're going to throw away. It'll last 20 years if you look after it, probably longer. All of our materials are recyclable or upcyclable. So what we offer is, apart from the intrinsic recyclability of the materials themselves on the system, the fabrics, which is the consumable on the stand, we can take back from clients and repurpose them as shopping bags, wine coolers, etc., that they can hand to their client base or their database that they've gleaned from a show. And over and above that, on a very deep level, there are very harmful chemicals and materials that people use in exhibitions that they're not even aware of. TRIGA is absolutely free of those. We wouldn't have got into the United States if we didn't comply. And so that journey for us was crucial. We feel that we are on the apex of that, and we'd love the rest of our industry to follow suit. And I'd just like to make an appeal to our industry here, because we've got a very healthy global industry, and the South African market has been tough and it's developing quite well for us, but it's taken us a long time. Our industry colleagues, if you're serious about sustainability, if you're serious about event greening, come and talk to us. We work well with resellers. We've got really good reseller opportunities, and it's not always about the 100 and 200 square meter stands. There's more of the small stands under 50 square meters that need solutions. We want to empower the end users to be able to produce beautiful shows in general. And that's what TRIGA is. It's a system that supports graphics. All you see are visuals. You don't see hardware.
We are very excited, especially with the stand. We won first prize. Definitely the effort that we put in, it paid off, and we've met a lot of interesting people again.